is one of the Croatian observers.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I just would like to say a few words on the basis of the Croatian experience with the IPA and related to the question of the simplification, cross-border cooperation, and Erasmus for all. Simplification is a really great issue from many points of view, not only from the point of view of the NGOs, then also from the local communities, from the municipalities, who might be, and in many cases who are, in a desperate situation, and who are not capable to participate, who are even not capable to apply. And that is the problem which occurred in Croatia and that we can expect in Bosnia, in Serbia, in Kosovo, and Montenegro and Macedonia. And we have to see how to simplify that and how to change that in order to provide, to create conditions that those who might be in the most desperate need might use the programs and the money from IPA. That's the first. Second, cross-border cooperation, which might be interrelated with the first point of mine, is of course something what is important for the reconciliation between the nations to whom happened to be in the war and the conflict in the 90s and some at the beginning of 2000 as well. So since most of these areas along the borders are undeveloped, this is an additional reason that we encourage and that we support the cross-border programs and the projects as an important element of IPA in most of the West Balkan area, particularly in the post-Yugoslav countries. And as far as the question of the sustainability of the education is in the question, yes, we actually in the last, in my non-political life, I'm Professor de, and what we are witnessing is actually the fact that sustainability of education from the elementary to the university is deteriorating from the year to year. And that, of course, the quality and accessibility of education is in danger and endangering. So I'm welcoming the decision of 2% of allocated money for the Erasmus for all, but this is something what should be revised in favor of, if possible, increasing that percent. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Merci, mon cher collègue.
Thank you, colleague.